In this video we are going to talk about the best table saw for the beginners. Stay tuned.
Today we are going to talk about top 5 table saw for the beginners. The very first product is from SKIL Saw, a well-known manufacturer in the tool and equipment industry for a long time. It's SKIL 3410-02 10-inch table saw. This table saw is ideal for DIYers and beginner-level professional woodworkers. Whether it's your home project or you have to deal with light commercial woodworking, it will suffice your needs. A 15-amp motor powers this machine up, which is powerful enough to handle most applications. With 5,000 revolutions per minute, its carbide tooth blade can rip through a wide variety of woods efficiently. With its 3.5 inches cut height, the saw blade can effortlessly rip through WORX materials. You will find its 20 by 26 inches cast aluminum table is able to accommodate the wood comfortably. There will be enough space required for most carpentry and woodworking tasks. To get you precise cut every time, it features an easy view measurement system that is much precise and accurate, and aligns the rip fence properly for convenience. No matter how long the material is, you will be able to rip it with high precision. More so, you can conveniently cross-cut small materials, bevel or miter regardless of the skill you possess. You will get a folding stand for easy portability. It requires a minimum time to mount on the stand. Therefore, you can even consider unmounting the saw from the stand if necessary, and put things back in place effortlessly if need be. A miter gauge is also included with the package. Looking for the best entry-level table saw with all necessary features without breaking your bank? This one from WORX might be the one you need. The second table saw in our list is WORX WX572L Blade Runner X2 tabletop saw. It got a lightweight and compact design that allows you to carry it around pretty much anywhere you want without trouble. The saw can handle most of your light-duty sawing. Inside this machine, 5 assorted T-shank blades can tackle a wide variety of materials, whether it's wood, ceramic, aluminum, metal, and plastic. Its convenient blade switching feature allows you to switch materials without wasting much time. Although the tool seems quite smaller, there are integrated rip fence as well as hold-down guard and splitter so that you can rip through materials with high precision. It got a storage compartment for keeping your blades and saw-related accessories for convenience. In case of any accidental starts or emergencies, you can use its safety switch to prevent pushing further. Included miter gauge allows you to precisely cut at 0 to 60 degrees to both the left and right sides. The manufacturer was kind enough to include a riving knife system and a traditional guard at such a price point. Whether it's for your DIY projects or home improvement purposes, Blade Runner X2 is the best starter table saw for beginners. The interesting fact about getting a low-budget table saw is that you will get the same powerful motor that people get spending around $500. Third table saw on our list is Genesis GTSIOSB 10-inch 15-amp table saw. It is one of those models that have a high-end motor with exciting features at an affordable price point. Genesis powered up their table saw with a 15-amp motor with a torque speed of 4,800 RPM. With such an amount of speed, you will be able to rip various types of materials at ease. It's one of those motors that also takes responsibility for smooth cuttings, so you are assured about the quality here as well. To take your DIY experiments or practice to the next level, this saw features a large sliding miter gauge that allows you to perform miter cuts from 0 to 45 degrees. Cross-cutting will no longer be an issue once you have the saw. More so, the height control of its blade allows you to achieve bevel cuts around 45 degrees effortlessly. Equipped with a self-aligning rip fence, you can cut materials with high precision. As far as safety is concerned, the saw spots a tool-free blade guard for convenience. In addition to that, anti-kickback pawls provide added safety as well as protection while operating it. The tool got onboard accessory storage that includes a blade holder, miter gauge holder, and push sticker holder that will further enhance your beginner-level sawing experience significantly. A 2 1/4 inches dust collection port is also there that will prevent sawdust and debris buildup. It got a heavy-duty metal work stand that supports the entire saw with excellent stability. It's hard to find a decent performing table saw within your budget that doesn't make much compromise with specs and features. So the fourth saw on our list is General International TS4001 10-inch table saw. This table saw from General International comes at an attractive price tag, and offers features that are hard to avoid. To tackle your cutting more efficiently, it got a 15-amp powerful motor that spins at 5,700 RPM. The motor is powerful enough to handle most of your deep cutting tasks. Whether it's hardwoods or pressure-treated lumber, this high-torque motor will perform like a pro. The circular blade of this machine protrudes quite well on the material, which results in deeper cuts without putting much effort. In most table saws, you might find a powerful motor, but the blade isn't good enough to use the motor power effectively. Luckily, this blade is well optimized with the motor power to get you the best possible results. You can achieve 2 7/8 inches deep cutting at 90 degrees, and 2 5/8 inches at 45 degrees with this saw. Its ability to cut at different angles makes it easier for you to meet a wide variety of cutting requirements. Regarding the table size, you will find its 26 inches tabletop to be more than enough to accommodate most of your material. To ensure safety while cutting, this machine also features an easy-to-access safety switch along with security key removal advantage. Additional features such as storage for push stick, spare blades, and blade wrench make this deal more worthwhile to consider. Moreover, if you are looking for a table saw for occasional use, this can be a good value for the money. You get pretty much all you need without spending much. If you are looking for a bit low-powered table saw for day-to-day DIY projects and stuffs, you can consider looking at 5th table saw on our list, which is LETBUY-TECH 13-amp benchtop table saw. Why pay extra money when you don't need that much power? Its 13-amp motor is able to deliver 5,000 RPM torque speed that handles most lightweight applications quite smoothly. Ideal for DIY workers, this one will be more than enough for home renovation purposes as well. One of the most important aspects of the table saw is the ripping capacity. Even if you need to rip through large pieces of wood, you will find this benchtop table saw wide enough to accommodate the material. It features a 26 inches tabletop. You can further extend it if necessary. The die-cast aluminum material makes it sturdy enough to handle tough works at ease. You can use it as a multi-purpose table saw as well. This benchtop table saw comes with an adjustable miter gauge that allows you to make crosscuts within 45 degrees to both the left and right sides. Although it's an entry-level saw, you will find it precise at cutting complicated cuts. Its 10 inches carbide-tipped circular blade does all the things that I've mentioned above. It got 36 teeth that make ripping through wood like a cupcake. The manufacturer cares about your environment as well, and that's why they implemented a 3 inches rear dust chute that tackles the sawdust and debris so that you can work in a neat and clean atmosphere. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.